the best, ain't no need for me to stress. Mom said it on my chest, lay her soul down the rest. Ain't no need for me to stress the rest. What's the recipe? Can't flex with me. Niggas scared of competition when they next to me. Talking about who the greatest nigga next is me. Asking about where I'm at, won't you check to see? Too high of a flow, call it ecstasy. If you ain't ready for me lyrically, don't mess with me. Lift my style like it's coke and have you cut to see. Niggas like to chatter, I ain't with the chatter. I chatter with my man, so them niggas start to chatter. Nigga too high on the ladder. I ain't fucked up, being me is what I'd rather. Bring my niggas together and show you how we gather. Switch my flow, there I go. Nigga riding so low, underground so low. Tell me what I don't know. Nigga taking photos, riding in a photo. And that was just a little sample. I'm too hot like a candle. Tell me what a nigga can't do. I do shit that you can't do. I'm too real for you to handle. Battery, so I charge. Tell me how you put my card if I don't give a fuck and I'm really going hard. You can say what you want, I just laugh. You hating niggas really kiss my ass. You bringing up a lot about the past, but your shit gon' equal out, so you really do the math. Playing around a little bit, but From the brotherhoods of the thoughtful wisdom brought in from within the clever nation. The clock is ticking, but it's time that we wasting. The wise is thought to be patient and have patience. The brotherhood brought in through from the east and condemned by the west is amazing. Every day could be a gift or a curse, it's a heaven or a hell, but it's one that we're facing. But it's up to the choiceful unknown of which one we're going to be chasing. A symbolical mindset to set yourself for which one makes you feel praising.